Hello and welcome, this is Dee from CrystalCraftswithdee. This is the next cross-stitch project that I will be working on. It is of a beautiful Joy Sunday stamped cross-stitch that I got from VIPCrossStitch. And this one is called Beautiful View, and I chose this one because I just love the colors in it. Actually, it's very vibrant, very pretty. So Joy Sunday comes in these beautiful Ziploc bags. These are great project bags, especially if you want to keep your stuff neat and tidy and free from dust and dirt. Put it over there. So the cover sheet here, I just love it. I think the colors are amazing. I love the variety of what you're doing in there. So you've got flowers, you've got the sea, and you've got these beautiful houses. Absolutely love it. This one is a 14 count and it is 29 by 36 centimeters, so it's a really good size. That's the cover sheet. And then inside you've got your pattern, and in here there is, where are we, 35 colors. You can see the symbols there, very easily printed, easy to see, and you've got your DMC cross reference. There are 3 backstitching colors. I don't think there's a lot of backstitch in here actually. Just have a quick look. Yeah, very basic. You've just got a little bit there of the boat, and you've got a little bit in the windows. That's it. There's not a lot there. And then you've got these beautiful colors. And then you've got this absolutely gorgeous canvas. So I think that's very well printed. I love the size. This size is just perfect for traveling. And I really like how you've got some nice blocking areas, but you've got some fine details in there as well. So Joy Sunday, you've got the hemmed edges. Your symbols are down the bottom there, and they are printed very clearly. All the way up the side there. And you can see how well that's printed, and you got some really nice blocking areas, and then you have some sort of more detailed areas as you get into the buildings, and then down here some more details here, but there's no confetti, and being hardly any backstitching, this is a great beginner's project. But I think that's printed absolutely beautifully. And it feels quite nice actually. The canvas, it's a little bit stiff, but yeah, it's actually really nice. So that looks really good. And then last but not least, you've got your colors, and they're pre-sorted on these cards. You do get 2 needles. Very easy to see. 14 count, you'll use 2 strands. But there's those beautiful colors. How gorgeous are they? Wow, they're so vibrant. Absolutely beautiful. On the other side, you got some pretty pinks and purples and red to sort of add a bit of interest with those colors. Absolutely gorgeous colors. And they're nice and long and nice and soft. So that is going to turn out gorgeous. Really beautiful. So that's the next project that I will be working on. And I'm going to start right away, and then I'll come back to you with the finished result and let you know if I had any issues, that sort of thing. You can see how it's come up and how it works out. So I'm going to get started on this, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. Super happy with how this turned out. An absolutely gorgeous design. I love the vibrancy of the colors. It wasn't hard to do. There was no confetti or anything like that. And there was some detailed areas like in these flowers and that. And then there was also some bigger blocking in the sky and in the water there. So if you didn't want to get into too much detail, you can sort of chill out with some of those larger areas. I think the colors work amazing. There was only a little bit of backstitch, which I will show you. Not necessary if you don't want to do it. I did it, just gives you that extra little bit of detail. But I will zoom you in so you can have a little bit of a closer look there. So in we go. You can see how gorgeous those colors are. Got that beautiful detailed colorful garden in the front there. It's gorgeous flowers. And that beautiful water. You got your little boat there. And then the steps of the building, mountains in the background. Absolutely gorgeous. That sky I think is really well done as well. I love the shading, so there's plenty of colors in there to get that beautiful shading. How many colors were there? There was 35 colors. So for this size, it's a really good number of colors, but I think that turned out amazing. So I'll zoom you back out again. So out we go. And I'll just show you that back stitching up here. There was a little bit in those windows. Just in there. Just to highlight those window sills. And there was a little bit on that boat there. That was it. Not a big deal if you don't want to do it, but it does give you that lovely detail. Nice effect. But I think that turned out amazing. So I'll show you the leftover threads. So the threads were really, really lovely to work with. I didn't have any trouble with them whatsoever. The symbols were easy to follow. You can see there lots and lots of colors left over. No issues there. They were really lovely to work with. There's the other side there. Just love the palette. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? So lots of color left over. This is the last little bit here. There was some that, you know, were a little bit light on, but you didn't use a lot, so you didn't really need it. There's plenty there. Lots. I'll bring a cross stitch out here. So very easy to do. It was a really good size actually. I really love this size cross stitch. It's very portable. You can take it with you places, and it's not too heavy in your hand to hold because I actually stitch in hand. But it's just a really great size, and I love the colors. Now I've gone ahead and I have washed this stamped cross stitch, and it's very easy to wash. There's instructions on the back of the, where is it? On the back here of your Joy Sunday kit. It does give you, where are we? There we go, instructions. If you haven't done it before, it's very easy to do. I have done a tutorial on how to wash your stamped cross stitches, so I will link that in the description box below. I will also link this product in the description box below. So I'd like to thank VIPCrossStitch very much for sending this out to me for review. It is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to frame this. Just need to find some room because it's just so pretty. So thank you VIPCrossStitch, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!